Welcome. If it's your first time here, make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment where you're from. So I have been very influenced on these mini tote bags from Trader Joe's. I only bought 2 of them because I was thinking, okay, realistically, am I even gonna use this thing? I don't even know. But I only bought 2. I bought the green one and the purple one. They are super cute, and we still had them in stock. So I don't really see what the hype was. Everybody was waiting outside the store before the store even opened, and they sold out in seconds. But I went 3 days later, and nobody even got them. People were just walking right past it. However, I did end up getting these beautiful flowers. I didn't need any, but I'm you know what? I need something to put at my front door. So I grabbed the flowers, and I also grabbed the lavender plant because I love lavender. So I'm going to try to see if I can harvest it and make some kind of lavender with it. So we'll see how that goes. You guys have no idea how hard it is to record when you have kids around. I want you guys to still hear me, but not hear kids in the background. So now I'm outside, and so you're probably hearing birds chirp because this is full transparency and accuracy of my life that there is no quiet time around me. So thanks you guys for bearing with me, and so enjoy the nature sounds. I did enjoy that Trader Joe's has a lot of gluten-free and vegan options, which is what made me start shopping at Trader Joe's in the first place, because they had a lot of vegan and vegetarian options. And I saw that they had these gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. So I got those. I haven't tried them yet, but I was really excited to see it. So that's what I got. And I ended up spending $50, which is crazy work because I only went in there to get those tote bags and maybe 2 other items. So I didn't plan on spending $50. And it's still to this day, I don't even know where the $50 even went to. I don't know. Maybe tariffs. I don't know what's going on. But after we did end up going to At Home, and I just wanted to see what they had here. I was looking for something specific. I think some cleaning solution and some dryer balls. They didn't have any, which was kind of surprising because it's a home store. So I feel like they would have definitely had many options, but they didn't. So that was a bummer. I just ended up getting 2 other items, and that's what I got from that store. But it was really still nice to go up in there. If you're looking for anything summer, spring related, definitely go to At Home. And they have really nice pictures, and I want to get some pictures for my kids' room. And I was asking them to pick out something that they liked, but they didn't really they were picking out stuff that wasn't part of their theme. So I ended up not getting them anything except for my son. He got a Cars picture, and then my daughter got something with princess, because that's her theme, was princess and unicorn. So that's what she ended up getting. Next, we went to my favorite place, which is Crate and Barrel. I just love Crate and Barrel. I just love the vibes there. Since I'm not shopping at Target and Walmart anymore, I have to find a new happy place. And Barnes & Noble and Crate and Barrel has been my happy place. So that's where I have been spending a lot of my time at. And I was really, 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 really considering getting this butter bell. But I don't really know if I see the vision for it. I'm not really sure what makes it different than a regular butter container that you just keep on your counter. So I didn't get it, but I also want to see if I can make my own butter, and then maybe I will store it inside of that butter bell. Then I'll go back and get it. And I did end up getting these super cute appetizer plates. Oh my god, they were so cute. So then I had to go to another grocery store and started buying appetizer things so that I can eat, you know, like aesthetically pleasing with the appetizer plates from there. So I got some appetizer plates, and I also got this really cute like glass, like champagne glass, and I've been putting everything in there. I'm talking about sparkling water, my cold brew, my smoothie, like anything drink related. I have been putting it inside this cup, and I just love it so much. I only bought one, and I feel like I really should have bought two, but I'm the only one that really drinks out of like champagne glasses, so I only bought one of them. But you guys, they're so cute. I love it. Once I got back home, I saw that one of my purchases got delivered from this place called Clean Home Design, and they are amazing. They use all like great ingredients. Nothing is harmful. I got the bed sheets, but that didn't come yet, and I was really upset because that's what I was mostly excited for, like 100% cotton bed sheets, and they're 100% black owned, and I was like, man, I'm so excited for that. But I opened it up and it said shipped separately, so I was like, oh, that's a bummer. So I'm really hoping that comes today. Make sure you guys be on the lookout, because I will be showing you guys those sheets. I got the dish soap, I got the hand soap, and the hand lotion, and they smell so good, you guys. It's called Clean Home Design. Definitely go online and like get some if you guys don't already. They smell so freaking good. And then I got my son this laundry basket. If you're looking for all things home, I would definitely say check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.